Hello, my name is Lovisa and I am a product owner in the LS Pay team at LS Retail. In this video, I will go through how to set up Verifone Nordic using the LS hardware station. At this point, I assume the hardware station has already been installed. On the computer where the hardware station is running, browse to localhost 8088 and log in. To create new EFT, press Create EFT and name the EFT a descriptive name for the terminal. Now select the payment service provider from the payment provider list. Before we view the settings in LS hardware station, let's check the configuration on the terminal. To get to the settings, press buttons 4 and 6 simultaneously and insert the password supplied by Verifone. Now select the System Setup, Settings, ECR and set ECR address. The IP address of the machine handling the communication is inserted. Check the config to find the correct IP address. This terminal listens on a port that can be configured. Make sure you have a separate port ID for each terminal that is to be connected per hardware station. The default port is 9600. The configuration of the terminal is now done and we go back to LS hardware station. Open the EFT list and select the plugin that was created. A list of available settings is displayed to manage the connectivity with the terminal. Update the merchant ID, the password, and make sure the correct port ID is set for the terminal. When all the settings have been registered, press Load to load the plugin with correct settings. To validate if the connection has been correctly configured, press Purchase and enter amount and currency. The terminal should display the amount and continue with the purchase process. The process ends with approval. The connection has now been validated and we know there is a connection between LS hardware station and the terminal.